Nail hole filler hack. You can fill holes by just rubbing the hole with soap bar. Hole in pot handle as a spoon holder. In a kitchen, if you're using a pan with hole, you can use it as a spoon holder by putting spoon on it. Mushroom perfect slice hack. If you want to cut mushroom in a perfect slice, use egg cutter for cutting fine slices. Alternative of cell phone S Pen. If you have lost your cell phone S Pen, here is a solution. Cut a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it in a tip of any pen. It will convert in a cell phone S Pen. Perfect alternative. Clogged drain. In a clogged drain, put some soda and vinegar, and then pour hot water into it. The issue of clogged drain will solve. Rust removing. If you want to remove the rust from your tap and sink, apply ketchup on it, let sit 15 minutes and then clean it. It will remove all rust. If you are having nail problems, apply toothpaste for 5 days on your nails. It will strengthen, whitens, and speed up growth. If you have a cracked foot problem, then give a healing foot treatment in a sleep. Apply moisturizer or Vaseline to your damaged and cracked feet, and wear some comfortable cushioned socks and go to bed. That's it. Wake up with smooth feet. If you have to close an envelope and don't have a glue, so there is a clue, you can use toothpaste as an alternative of glue. If gas glass is broken, pick it up by tapping with bread slice. All small particles of glass will stick into it easily.